And then we'll remove that lid. Oh yeah, look at that popcorn. In this cooking basics video, I'm going to show you how to cook popcorn in a skillet on the stovetop. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts, but it's really easy to remember. I'm going to begin with a skillet here. This is my 12-inch skillet. And then I have a couple of tablespoons of butter here. And you could also use oil instead of butter. And then I have about a 1/3 cup of popcorn kernels. I'm going to put my lid on. And we'll head over to the stovetop. Now, if you don't have a skillet, but you have a deep pot and you don't have a lid, you can just cover the top of that pot with foil and poke a couple holes in it. Follow the same steps after that. The heat is set to medium, between medium, high. And then we are just going to give this a good shake. And that's gonna keep the butter from burning, as well as keep those kernels coated. And keep the kernels from burning as well. And this works really well if you have a glass top stove top, but if you don't have a glass top, it'll still work on the classic oven. And then eventually it'll start popping after probably 3 or 4 minutes. And then you just go until there's just a couple seconds in between each pop. There we go. Awesome. And then we'll remove that lid. Oh yeah, look at that popcorn. Freshly popped popcorn in a skillet, and I'll just season it how you want. More butter, you can do salt, you can do the little popcorn seasonings, all those different flavors of seasoning that you can do. Totally up to you. That's how you make popcorn in a skillet on the stovetop. And then of course you'll just pour into another bowl instead of eating it out of the hot skillet. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below. And I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this.